one of the best ways you can improve your credit is to open revolving accounts so you offset the negative items. But I understand it's difficult to establish new positive credit history because it's almost impossible to get approved with low credit scores. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get approved for a $5,000 credit line from an online jewelry store that will report as a line of credit. The great news is this, is that you can get approved even with low credit scores. 98% of the people who apply for this loan get approved. My name is Azim Sharp. I'm a certified FICO Pro. I'm also the founder and CEO of Leaf Credit Solutions, a national credit repair organization. So I'm sure you know, but building credit, it isn't easy, especially if you don't know the approval guidelines of the company you're applying for before you even apply. So it's important to take the proper steps to build your credit now so you can qualify for high limit credit cards within the next 6 months. Opening an account with the online jewelry store is a great first step, building a strong credit profile and raising your score. So I'm going to explain how the benefits work with the online jewelry store. So the benefits of opening an account with this particular company. You can build credit easy and quick. So there's no applying and then hearing or getting a letter in the mail in 7 to 10 days from now and then actually getting denied. The approval process, you can actually apply online and you'll get an approval instantly. All right. So one of the other benefits of this is you'll lower your utilization and raise scores. So let's say you have credit cards right now in your name. Let's say $5,000 spread across maybe 3 cards, and you're carrying a balance of 50%, or your utilization ratio is at 50%, meaning you're carrying a $2,500 balance across all of those cards. Now, with your utilization being 50%, that affects your credit scores because 30% of your credit score is your utilization ratio. But what if you're in a bind and you're like, hey, I don't have the $2,500 to pay down my credit cards so that way I can increase my scores? And let's say you're trying to apply for a mortgage or you're trying to get an auto loan or whatever it is that you're trying to do. Now, a quick way that this can help you is that this line is a $5,000 line of credit. Now, once you open up that line, it's going to show on your credit report and it will actually offset your utilization ratio. And then once you get approved for this, your utilization ratio will be well below 10% without you even paying off that $2,500. So this is a quick way, a quick little trick that you can use. This is something that I use to help my clients who are trying to qualify for a mortgage and the mortgage brokers that I work with who send business to me. Another benefit is it demonstrates credit worthiness to other creditors. So when other creditors see that you're managing this responsibly and you are worthy of new additional credit, that is a big benefit. Okay. The other thing is you get other high limit credit card offers within about a 3 to 4 month time. This is a big benefit. So this is very helpful and you building additional credit. So let me explain how it works, right? What you're gonna do is you complete a short online application and the application is 98% approval. The only reason why you would get denied is if you're currently in the middle of a bankruptcy. So I would say if that's the case, don't apply. The next thing you do is you make an advance payment, meaning that you'll go to checkout and whatever it is that you're checking out. Let's say if it's a $200 purchase that you're making on their website, then what you'll do is you'll make an advance payment towards that at checkout, which I'll get into that in a second. So the total out-of-pocket investment for this particular account would be about $150, right? Now, you don't have to spend all of that at once, but let me just explain a little bit further. So you place $100 worth of products in the cart, you pay 50% at checkout, right? So half of 100, of course, is 50, right? You pay the balance of the other 50 over the course of 12 months, but it's 0% interest, right? You also, when it's time to pay the bill, you can pay the bill online, and then you want to definitely pay on time because just like this can help your credit, just like anything else, if you don't pay on time, it will hurt your credit, right? So this is an amazing opportunity that you can take advantage of, and this is something that I use for my clients. This is just one of the many things that I use for my clients, but this helps out a great deal. I would encourage you to click the link below to get the card, to apply. And again, it's 98% approval rate, so take advantage of this because it's a great opportunity.